If you are having trouble installing Facebook Messenger from the App Store, then here are some steps you can take to resolve this issue. So let's get started. Firstly, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the issues. Then simply try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve app download issues. Hold down the power button or volume and power button for iPhone X and later until you see the slide to power off slider and power off and turn it back on after a few seconds. Now lastly, check available storage. If your storage is full, delete unnecessary apps or files to free up space. Simply long press on the app, tap on the delete app option available and confirm the deletion. Now you can go back to the App Store and download the Messenger app. If none of these work, then contact Apple support. There may be an issue with your account or device and contact Apple support for more assistance. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.